Welcome back to another MiSys video with Brandow Consulting, and today we're going to be working on work orders. So we're going to create a new work order. We're going to use our job from what we just created, job number 2, new job 2. Right, and details, we're going to be making basic pencils. Now in here, notice that only assembled items can be selected here. We can't have individual items because there's nothing to build in individual items, only in assembly items. And we're going to order 1,000 of those. Alright. And we've got job order, job number 2 right here. And that should give us everything that we need. Alright. So now we hit release work order. And yes, we want to add it. That is what I intended. And let's go ahead and put this for local school. Alright. So once we push this, what changes is right here, this action button. So right here, we're going to allocate all of these. So we're going to take all of our raw components here, and we're going to move them over to allocated, or our work in progress. So we go here, we drop down to allocate, and if we hit auto fulfill, it will fill our quantities here for this line. And so we're going to now hit process work order. It says, are you sure? Yes, we do. Do we want to save changes? Yes, we do. Alright, now everything has been allocated here, and notice it went from ordered 1,000 here, and quantity 1,000 there, and now it's allocated. To finish this, now what we have to do is we go to action, complete, we hit fulfill again, and what that's going to do is that's going to move allocated to completed. But before we show that, what we can show is, so going to do nothing right there, but what we are going to show you is this. It's up here in production order. If you look over here, here's our current production order right here. So it's moved it out here on our production schedule, and we can go over all that later, but that's when this happens. So we'll pull this back up, go to details. And what's interesting is it doesn't show up here. We are missing our action column until you hit refresh. Then it shows up. We'll go to complete, and quantity to complete, auto fulfill, doesn't do anything. So we're going to put in 1,000. And now we're going to process that. Yes, okay. So now it should have moved everything over here to completed. Excellent. And to finish everything out, we close the work order. Are you sure you want to close the work order? Yes. And that completes our work order tutorial. If this was helpful for you, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Let us know if there's anything else we can help you with. Thanks.